Next, record a click on the upload button. After recording the click on the 3 dots. Then open the change step type. Find the upload option and click on it. Then click on the content box of the step and choose the variable from the Google Sheets. Remember the screenshots we took from the product page on AppSumo? This is the time to use them. Add the first screenshot here, and it will upload the image from your computer based on the information in the Google Sheets. After that, add a delay to give it time to upload the image. You can record another upload step if you want to add more than one image in this stage. You can add up to, I think, 5 images for Pinterest. But you need all the columns in your Google Sheets to have the path to the image on your computer. You can check out the full video where I show how to automate creating posts using AI-generated content with TaskMagic. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.